Hello, my name is Aparna. I am a German language teacher. I've been teaching this language for the past 11 years. I did my internship program for teaching training in Germany, in Bonn, and I have taught students from different backgrounds, from engineers to doctors to even middle schoolers who had to migrate from India to Germany into a German medium school. And in my journey of teaching German, I have learned that what works the best for students is the approach towards the language being easy, especially when it comes to German grammar, which is complicated. I have developed a knack for creating a connection point to the students, whether they have a habit of thinking in English or in their mother tongue, to break the barrier of translating from the known language to creating a new network for the target language, and to gain expertise in the new language and also fluency. And in all my teaching experience, I have always focused on speaking, which is the ultimate goal for learning any foreign language for that matter. So my experience has been diverse. I have taught students around the country with different mother tongues as their background. So I believe teaching a foreign language to anybody should start with making it simplified, to present it to the learners group as it is something which is completely achievable. And I would be proud to say that I have got more than 400 successful individuals in Germany doing different things in their professions, either studying in a German medium college or a school, or even practicing in hospitals, or even working in reputed MNCs as engineers. So that is a little success story of my career. Thank you.